might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go! Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said.
Hi Ma'am Doray, thank you po for your service sa BJMP. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga mo sa mga PDL natin for the last 25 years. Enjoy your retirement, ma'am. Ingat po.
Hello po, Ma'am Doray. Congratulations po sa iyong retirement, ma'am. Very thankful po ako kasi ikaw po yung tumayong mentor ko po dito sa jail. Marami po ako natutunan, marami po ako na-experience ng mga bagay-bagay dahil po sa iyo, ma'am. And maaga man po kayong nag-retire dahil po sa inyong health condition. Katulad po ng aking sinabi, ma'am, paningin nyo lang po yung nawawala minsan, pero yung lahat po ng nagawa ninyo, yung pagiging dedicated po ninyo sa work, hindi po namin yun malilimutan. Thank you very much po, ma'am. Lagi ka pong mag-iingat and love you!
Hi ma'am! Congratulations po sa iyong retirement. Thank you so much ma'am sa lahat po ng iyong mga aral na naibahagi po sa amin. Ayan, enjoy ma'am!
I just want to say congratulations sa naging journey mo as a BJMP personnel at pinatunayan mo na with hard work, passion, and determination, kayang-kaya mong malampasan ang mga pagsubok sa loob at labas ng Bureau. Congratulations because you have proved and you've been a living testimony that women are as capable and as powerful as men. At pinatunayan mo na ang mga kababaihan ay kayang mamuno sa loob at labas ng Bureau. Good luck on your next journey and sana marami ka pang matulungan. Congratulations ulit, Nanay. I love you.
Hi, Nanay. Congrats on your retirement. After a very long time of climbing the mountain, you can finally enjoy the view. Sana after your retirement, i-continue mo yung pag-help sa others and pag-inspire pa rin sa others na pumasok sa profession na katulad ng tinahak mo. Congrats! Enjoy your retirement!